guys, so my name is Nur Eliza Kaisara binti Muhammad Nasir. I'm the leader of this group.
Mine is Nur Ramadhani binti Amran.
Mine is Nur Afika Atika binti Afaidi.
This is the second member and the third member. So we built this device called FG analyzer to measure friction. Friction gauge is a tool used to quantify the resistance encountered when two surfaces move relative to each other. These devices typically employ sensors or mechanical systems to assess the force required to overcome frictional force.
The commercial viability of a FG analyzer is like marketing and sales strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing and sales strategy to promote the FG analyzer to target customer. Utilize channels such as industry publication, online platform, and direct sale effort to reach potential buyer.
By following a systematic methodology that includes sensor selection, instrumentation setup, test setup, data acquisition, analysis, validation, and optimization, FG can contribute to the advancement of various industry and research fields.
The problem with FG analyzer is a sensor drift over time, leading to increases in frictional force measurement due to factors such as aging, temperature variation, or environmental conditions.
Overall, friction measurement plays a fundamental role in improving performance, reliability, and safety across various industrial sectors, driving innovation and progress in engineering and technology.